Hi guys, long time no see. I have been super busy, and I know I always say this, but it's just so true. You guys know that I went to Cuba for spring break and I had my long beautiful braids, but now I'm back. You know, braids are out and I'm trying to finish my last semester in college. I graduate in a few weeks, so that's what I've been so occupied with. But I am back and ready to create my content. So as you guys know, the World Natural Hair Show is coming up extremely soon. It's April 27th and 28th, and I will be there both days. So you guys, if you see me, make sure you say hello. Make sure you guys get your tickets. It's going to be an event to remember. You guys do not want to miss out. And also, who doesn't want to come to a natural hair show where black women and all beautiful hair textures are uplifted and praised for being what they are. So I just took out my braids today. I deep conditioned for a little bit, and now I'm going to style my hair. So what I want to do is a braid out, and for this braid out I will be using Taliah Waajid, green apple, and aloe, of course. So I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner, and I'll also be using the curl definer and the curl elixir. So I'll be mixing these two together to give me a really super defined and hydrated braid out. So one thing I want to say about these products is that they are super hydrating. So just so you guys understand the difference between the two, I'm going to read a little bit about why they are different. It can be a little bit confusing when you're trying to decide which one to buy and you're not really sure what the difference is. So the green apple and aloe curl elixir reduces frizz, seals in curl form and shape, long-lasting curl hold, moisturizes and conditions hair strand. And this is the curl definer, creates longer lasting, more defined curls, fortified with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. So that is the difference between these two products. So you can do the same hairstyles that you want to do. I would say try both of them out and see which one your hair likes better, because your hair may like the curl definer more than the elixir, or it might like the elixir more than the definer. So it just depends on you and your hair type, which formula you like better, which results you like better, or just overall, you know, whether you want an elixir or a definer. All right. So I have definitely missed my curls since having the protective style for so long. So I'm really excited to just style my hair today and get back to my normal hair routine. So with that being said, let's jump right into this tutorial. So hydrating. Oh my gosh, I swear that's the #1 thing that I love about the green apple and aloe line, is that the leave-in conditioner, the curl definer, the curl elixir, the hold me down jelly, the apple cider vinegar leave-in conditioner, all of it is so hydrating, and it just smooths out your curls and really gets into your hair follicles. Hey guys, so I'm about to take out my braids. But first, I just want to tell you guys what I did for my night routine to preserve my braids. So I use the Taliah Waajid Crinkles and Curls Natural Hair Setting Lotion. Sorry, my logo is a little bit gone. But yeah, so I just used a few pumps of this, put it on my hair, and then I used my silk scarf and I tied down my hair at night and then went to bed. And now my braids are dry, so I'm going to unravel them. There's quite a bit of shrinkage, and I think it's because my hair was in a protective style for so long, and now that it's able to breathe, it's kind of like, let's just do our own thing. So we'll see how it's looking once I unravel the braids. Once I get done and I get through picking it out and fluffing it out, hopefully the shrinkage isn't too bad. So when I undo my braids, I gently unravel because you don't want to mess up the curl pattern. So be gentle with it. If your braid is a little bit tough, you know, just try to gently pull it apart, or try to get a comb, a rat tail comb, and kind of stick the end through so that you can get it a little bit looser and then slowly unravel. So do you guys see this definition? My hair is holding the pattern from the braid. So once I do have it in this state, I'm going to gently pull apart some of these sections so that I have a little bit more body. So now that I've unraveled all my braids, I'm going to give my hair a little bit more body, just so that my hair isn't so shrinked, and you know, I can have that beautiful big fluffy hairstyle. So of course I'm going to be using my hair pick, and I'll also be pulling apart a little bit more. Alright, so you can see the difference between the side I picked out and the side that I haven't yet. This side's a little bit more fluffy, more body, more of that, you know, natural hair look that everybody's going for. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and I'm going to do it the exact same way. So here is my final braid out look using Taliah Waajid's Apple and Aloe line. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will show you a close-up look of my final look, and thanks for tuning in, guys.